Imagine a world where you only need 5 exercises to stay strong, flexible, and youthful for the rest of your life. It might sound too good to be true, but these 5 movements, when done consistently, can transform your fitness and health. They're simple, effective, and versatile, targeting every major muscle group while improving strength, balance, and endurance. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or a beginner looking for a sustainable routine, these exercises will keep you feeling younger, more energetic, and confident in your body. In this video, we will break down each of the exercises in detail and explore how to incorporate them into your life. Number 1. The plank. The plank is the ultimate core exercise, but it's much more than that. It strengthens your abs, shoulders, back, and glutes and stabilizes muscles, making it essential for overall fitness. A stable core isn't just about aesthetics, it's crucial for maintaining posture, preventing injuries, and performing everyday activities like bending, lifting, and standing tall. How to perform a plank. Starting position. Lie face down on the floor. Support yourself. Prop your body up on your elbows and wrists, ensuring they are directly under your shoulders. Align your body. Lift your body off the ground, keeping a straight line from your head to your heels. Engage your core. Imagine pulling your belly button toward your spine. Aim to hold the position for 20 to 30 seconds initially, gradually increasing your time as you get stronger. Common mistakes to avoid. Sagging hips. This puts unnecessary strain on your lower back. Rounded shoulders. Keep your shoulders relaxed and down. Holding your breath. Breathe steadily to maintain form and endurance. Variations for all levels. Knee plank. Great for beginners. Keep your knees on the ground while maintaining a straight line from head to knees. Side plank. Lie on one side and prop yourself up on one forearm. Lift your hips and hold a straight line to strengthen your obliques. Plank with shoulder taps. In a high plank, alternate tapping your shoulders with opposite hands to challenge balance and coordination. Number 2. Single leg Romanian deadlift. Balance declines as we age, but the single leg Romanian deadlift can help counteract this. It's a dynamic lower body exercise that targets your hamstrings, glutes, and lower back, while also improving flexibility, stability, and coordination. Plus, it mimics real-life movements, making it functional for everyday tasks. How to perform a single-leg Romanian deadlift. Starting stance. Stand with your feet hip-width apart. Shift weight. Transfer your weight onto one leg, keeping the knee slightly bent, and hinge forward. Extend your other leg straight back as you bend forward at the hips, lowering your hands toward the ground. Maintain alignment. Keep your back straight and your core engaged throughout the movement. Slowly return to a standing position and repeat. Begin with just your body weight. Once you're comfortable, incorporate dumbbells for added resistance. Focus on slow, controlled movements to maintain balance. If you find this information helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn all notifications on to stay updated with our latest fitness tips. Number 3. Push-ups. Push-ups are a timeless exercise for building upper body strength and improving posture. They work multiple muscles simultaneously, including the chest, shoulders, triceps, and core, making them one of the most efficient exercises. How to perform perfect push-ups. Starting position. Assume a high plank with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Lower down. Bend your elbows at a 45-degree angle, lowering your torso toward the ground. Push up. Stop just before your chest touches the floor and push back to the starting position. Keep alignment. Maintain a straight line from your head to your feet throughout the movement. Variations to try. Incline push-ups. Use a raised surface like a bench to make the movement easier. Wide grip push-ups. Place your hands farther apart to target your chest more effectively. Diamond push-ups. Position your hands under your chest in a diamond shape to focus on triceps and inner chest. Number 4. Horse stance. The horse stance is a deceptively simple exercise that provides profound benefits. It strengthens your legs, glutes, and core, while also enhancing focus and concentration. It's an underrated gem for building lower body stability. How to perform the horse stance. Stand with your feet wider than shoulder width apart, toes slightly outward, lower down. Squat until your knees form a 90-degree angle. Keep your back straight and core engaged as you hold the position for 30 to 60 seconds. Challenge yourself. Hold a small weight at chest level to increase intensity. Benefits beyond strength. Improves mental focus and concentration. Enhances stability for other exercises like squats and lunges. Number 5. Kettlebell swings. Kettlebell swings are the ultimate combination of strength and cardio. They target your glutes, hamstrings, core, and shoulders, all while getting your heart rate up for a calorie-burning workout. How to perform kettlebell swings. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and hold the kettlebell with both hands. Swing the kettlebell back between your legs while bending slightly at the knees. Use the power of your hips to propel the kettlebell forward to chest height. Control the swing. Let the kettlebell swing back down naturally, keeping control. Focus on using your hips, not your arms, to drive the movement. Start with a lighter kettlebell to perfect your form before increasing weight. A simple workout plan. Consistency is key to reaping the benefits of these exercises. Here's a straightforward routine you can follow 3 days a week. Horse stance. 3 sets of 30 to 60 seconds. Single leg Romanian deadlift. 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps per leg. Kettlebell swings. 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Push-ups. 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Plank. 3 sets of 30 to 60 seconds. Make sure to rest between sets and take a day off between workouts to allow your muscles to recover. By incorporating these exercises into your routine, you'll build strength, improve balance, and increase flexibility, all essential components for a healthier, more youthful body. Plus, these exercises don't require fancy equipment, making them perfect for at-home workouts. Share this plan with someone who could benefit, and start your journey to a stronger, more vibrant you. Thank you for watching. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this information helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more tips and insights on health and fitness, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.